Enterprise video is growing exponentially. As a large enterprise utilizing company-wide town hall meetings and field trainings at locations worldwide, this is great news, right? Well, it is, but there are also some challenges to overcome. You see, there's plenty of bandwidth in the cloud where these videos are stored. And there's plenty of bandwidth on the corporate LAN behind the firewall, but there's a major bottleneck in the connection between the two. A single user streaming a video is handled easily. As more users start requesting the video asset, the internet connection is quickly saturated. Introducing Altitude CDN OmniCache, our next-generation solution for live and on-demand unicast video distribution without proprietary hardware. Once OmniCache is deployed on a network, the first time a user requests a video, it is pulled down from the cloud and stored locally. Then, all requests for the file are served transparently to users from the local network, effectively utilizing enterprise LAN resources while remaining transparent to the end user. Learn more about how Altitude CDN OmniCache can dramatically improve video playback performance without requiring a WAN upgrade. Visit Ramp.com today.